Without further ado, Miss Sarah is going to show us how to make our shields.
Okay, so first you're going to take your paper plate out of your bag, flip it over so that it's like upside down on the table, and then you're going to want to flatten it out a little bit. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your red streamer squares and you're going to glue them around the edge. So that bumpy part of the plate, you're going to glue them all the way around the edge. Make sure you don't glue them right over those holes though.
They will be used in a later part.
Yes. You can either put your glue on your streamer or on the plate. It does not matter. Make sure you put them all around the edge.
I like to use lots of glue, just so everything is nice and secure.
Yeah.
And guys, don't forget, tomorrow we will be having our banner dedication down at the pavilion. So make sure you guys, what time is it at?
10.
At 10 o'clock to come down and sign your name or write something on our banner to thank all of the people that are
heroes
being affected by COVID-19.
Yeah. We're gonna hang this banner at the pool after the signing so everyone will be able to see it. So come down, show your support. All along the edge, all those red squares.
Okay.
Oh, you're faster than me. Hold on.
I'm speedy.
She's speedy. Alright, now once you have done your red squares around the whole edge, you're going to do another circle of squares, but this time you're going to use your white streamer squares, okay? So you're just going to do the same exact thing.
I love crafting.
Get all those white squares. You have to spread them out a little bit. Alright. Now, you're going to do, that's your second circle. It's kind of hard to see. Second circle, now you're going to do the same thing again, and you're going to do red squares again this time. Once you have your excuse me, second circle of red squares, you're going to put your blue squares in the middle. Your middle may be bigger than ours or smaller. That's okay. Just make sure the whole center is covered with your blue squares. It may be easier at this part now that there's a bunch of squares on there to put the glue directly on your streamer.
Very good point.
Yeah. It's okay to overlap them a little bit. If you want your blue to be a little more seen, you can totally overlap them a little bit. Miss Allie is done. One more square from mine.
And always, guys, if you are done using your glue sticks or any other materials that you would like to recycle, just bring back to the camp store and we can reuse them after we sanitize them and for future crafts.
Yeah. So you're close to being done. Now you're going to take your star. You can put glue on your star and you're going to glue it right in the center of your blue dot.
Keep knocking stuff over.
I would put your glue on your star rather than on the plate. Just like that. Yep. Okay, now your last step, go ahead and put your cap on your glue stick so it doesn't dry out. You're going to take your blue ribbon. You're going to feed it through the holes in your plate.
Just like that?
Yep. I'm going to take it around the other side and put it through the other side. Now this is where you will have to use your judgment. Your arm may be bigger or smaller than ours, so just make it so that it would fit you. You can tie it however way works best for you. And there you have it. You have your Captain America shield.
My fingers don't work.
Tighten a knot, whatever works best. There you go. Yeah. Thanks for participating with us, guys. Remember, we have our banner dedication tomorrow morning. So come out, sign the banner, show your support to all of our hometown heroes. Duck races will also be back tomorrow. We're going to have them at 3 out of the 4 pool sessions tomorrow, and we'll also have tie-dye. So we'll see you then. Thanks,
Bye, guys.